Just spotted the blackbird. Just over there. Look, seems to be getting some big branches. Really big bird. Just see him in that tree. Look, he's flying over. Look, yeah, he is. Flying. Flying over to the nest. I haven't disturbed him. Maybe I should stop filming. I don't want to upset them.